Hey everyone, I want to update you on this painting, the Mallet Smash from my last video. It turned out way cool. It did sell, so it's not available, but I love it. And today I'm doing a pour. I got these 8x10 wooden panels from ARTEZA, and I'm going to try and recreate video 777. I've tried once before to recreate it, and I am going to try again. So there's my panel. Sorry, you'd think I'd have it all together. I've got nothing else going on, but I'm, being home and everything. But my brain is even more scattered than usual for some reason. So I don't know why. Oh. So I'm using the ARTEZA pouring acrylics. They are pre-mixed, so no need to do anything to them except pour them out. So I've got neon blue, neon pink, neon purple, and mid-yellow. And white. And unfortunately, it uses all of it. So it doesn't last me very long. The white doesn't. The colors do. This was one that was... Alright. So where's my... Spreading it out. So, how's everyone doing? Hanging in there? It's not easy. I've been still watching a lot of TV, watching The Good Doctor. Been watching movies, been taking tons of walks, which my dog loves. So she is all about all the walks I've been taking. She's very happy with those. So this, I'm going to put a lot of color on here. So the fact that this isn't, oops, I pulled the whole thing out. So the fact that this isn't coated as much as I like, I don't think it will be a problem. Hopefully not. We'll find out. But I want a lot of color on this. I want it totally covered. I do have a little bit more white, which I am putting above and below. And it turned out how I wanted it. Yay! I wanted just a lot of color. Yeah. Just gonna torch to make sure no air bubbles or anything in it. I got some interesting cells, which I don't recall getting last time. You know, I may put some more white on here. Hopefully that doesn't ruin it. Oh no! Well, let's see. Kind of think I like it better. It's almost like a swipe look now. I like it. I'll bring you over to get a closer look. Super cool. The white, yeah, the white kind of made like all the colors come out in cells, which is cool because it was kind of a dark greenish. Kind of, it got a little muddy, like right in that corner, but so I think the white did good. Did a good job of evening it out. I love it. I love all these cool cells and formations and stuff. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all next time. Bye.